Hey guys, in this video I am going to be putting you through how to cover up your under eye dark circle the right way. So guys, the first step is you want to go ahead and hydrate your under eyes. Make sure you use an eye cream or a moisturizer. Then the next step is to go ahead and use a color corrector. If you're a woman of color, use orange. If you're super light, use peach. Then the first concealer you're going to be using should be close to your skin because you're trying to mimic a perfect flawless under eyes in your skin color. Then the second concealer you're going to be picking should be one shade or two lighter than your actual skin color. But if you're somebody you don't want a super bright under eye, the first concealer is fine. But make sure whatever concealer you are using should give you a matte finishing. That way it's not going to move around, it's going to stay in place. Then make sure you use a damp beauty sponge to blend out really well. Then you go ahead and set. When you're setting, the first step is to go ahead and use your fingertip to blend out any creasing line. Then you go in with your setting powder. Make sure your setting powder is a translucent one. That way you will not have so much texture under your eyes. And this is how you get a perfect flawless under eye look. Let me know if this was helpful down in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.
Baby, I can run all the time.